eaten this fruit before. It's a tiny but mighty fruit, and it is called the black cherries, the African type. This cherry improves your sleep with natural melatonin. It is rich in antioxidants that protect your cells. It is a great post-workout fruit. It reduces the muscle pain. It is a sweet way to heal from inside out. This fruit reduces inflammation, boosts your immunity, and contains high in antioxidants and anthocyanins. Black cherries reduces muscle soreness. Follow for more amazing fruit health tips.